Hi, my name is Tom Matula. I'm from Seattle, USA. I'm here on a tour with Inside Egypt. We've had a magnificent week exploring all the different statues and pyramids and temples. We've learned a lot over our week from all the pharaohs and high priests and priestesses. It's just been an amazing trip. We've really loved going to the private entrance of the Great Pyramid. That was spectacular. And having a lecture right there with the Sphinx with a great Egyptologist. Our local guide knew everything there was to know about ancient Egypt, and he also taught us about the culture of modern Egypt. So it was a really spectacular experience, and I would advise all my friends and relatives to come for this trip. Inside Egypt is a great place to leave your trust, to come to Egypt and learn all about this magnificent country and its magnificent history.